Hey folks, welcome back to Bucky's Customs. I'm glad to have you here. I just wanted to show you how I batch a bunch of stuff on the Longmill. Now, what I'm going to show you is just a quick and easy thing for me. I mean, y'all might have a better idea of how you would attach and all that, but this is what I use. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I mounted this. So what I did was I took a couple pieces of stock, okay, fairly hardwood. This is cypress left over from my last video. Now what I did was I took the size of the board that I'm carving, okay, and I made a couple of positive stops for this. And what you can see is I've put a stop here and a stop here so that this piece, when it's resting, can't go any farther than that. Same way on the other side. Now this is my starting point block right here. So what I do is I just take the board and I brought this piece in just to, you know, get it close in case something wobbled out. This will hold it in there. But I put that there. This goes here. Okay. This goes here. And then this clamp sits on top. And I clamp this side down first because there's a positive stop here. Okay. Now I put this clamp over here goes first. Tightens it down, then I go over here and I tighten this down. I'm going to show you how fast it is to put a new piece in, take the old piece out, put a new piece in, and get carving again. So that's really what I want to show you. So that was pretty quick, right? That's just my way of doing it. I'm going to take that board when it finishes carving. Seeing how I flipped it over, I got a carving on both sides. I'm going to cut it in half with my bandsaw. And I've got two plaques. So pretty cool idea for two tools, two very cool tools that I have here in the shop. The Longmill, of course, is made by Sienci Labs, and it is a fantastic shop machine. I love this thing. There's so many things you can do. It's just a bunch of fun for me. Real easy. And the software is fairly easy. I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you're all doing well. So until I see you again, thank you very much for watching this video and be safe out there.